through this solar plexus chakra, also known as Manipura chakra balancing meditation today. I request you to softly close your eyes and sit in a comfortable position with your spine comfortably erect. I, Poojaa Sharma, will help you with this guided meditation today. And with this solar plexus or Manipura chakra balancing, you will feel more energetic, positive, powerful, with lot of energy, and also this will bring in immense transformation in your life. Everything that has reached a saturation in your life will start to grow further. And now, let us take our focus on our breath with inhales and exhales. Inhales and exhales, one after the other, slowly yet deeply, so that we are totally relaxed and in here and now. One after the other, every breath is making you calmer and calmer than before. And now you are totally relaxed and very grounded. Now I request you to take your focus near your belly button, your navel area, as that is the seat for our Manipura chakra. And I want you to visualize a lot of fire here. Yes, because out of the 5 elements that we are made up of, earth, water, air, ether, fire, the element for our solar plexus chakra is fire. So I want you to visualize fire here, which will energize our chakra. Fire is very pure, and that is why in all the religion it is used. When we die, our bodies are burnt in this fire. When we get married, we take vows around this fire. Anytime there's a homa or havan or a puja or ritual, this fire is used again, as it symbolizes that all the negativity shall be burnt in this fire, and what will remain will only and only be a transformation of that energy, which will be only and only positive. So, a strong fire burning in your solar plexus, and imagine that this is going to burn all the negativity in your body, mind and soul, be it in the form of negative thoughts, negative emotion, any pain that you're suffering or going through, any bad memories that you want to get rid of and move on in life, any pain or physical exertion in the body. Everything is getting burned in this fire, and what will remain is only and only purity, positivity, and lot of energy. And now loudly chant the seed or Bij mantra for solar plexus with me. The Bij mantra for Manipura is Ram, R-A-M. So let's chant it loudly 21 times now. Ram, 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 Your solar plexus chakra is now open and balanced and glowing as a beautiful yellow color ball. Yes, this chakra color is yellow, and this chakra, as shared, gives us energy. So if you have been feeling lethargic or hyperactive of late, this will balance the energy levels, keep you energetic throughout the day, and also bring in huge transformation in your life. So if you've been waiting for that promotion, new project or assignment, or a new relationship to manifest, this meditation will help you get that. If you can do it every day for 21 days minimum to 40 days maximum, and that's the mandala completion of one cycle. And now, with your eyes closed, please repeat these affirmations after me, each affirmation 3 times. I am powerful. Please repeat 3 times. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am powerful. I let go of people and situations which is not for my highest good. I let go of people and situations which is not for my highest good. I let go of people and situations which is not for my highest good. I let go of people and situations which is not for my highest good. I am safe, secure, and complete. 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 I am abundant and prosperous. 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 I am full of energy and very efficient. 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 My life is transforming each day. 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 I am learning from my experiences and growing. 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 I am very happy and content. 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 And now you may bring the focus back onto your breath. Inhales and exhales softly, softly, as we try to come back after this beautiful meditation and balancing our Manipura Chakra, feeling powerful and energetic with new hope, new promises to conquer the world. And if you have any questions or feedback, do leave a comment. I would personally reply to each one of them and would love to answer your queries and read your comments. I express my immense gratitude to the Divine and Grace for blessing me with this Poojaa and wisdom so that I'm able to create these meditations for you. I also express gratitude to all my family and friends for their unconditional support, and to all my subscribers, followers, students for all their trust, surrender, and love in me. My blessings and lots of love to each one of you. And I take your leave now till I come back again with more such empowering meditations for you. Namaste.